So right now my car has 55 liters of diesel, 5 liters of petrol and half liter of...
When you see me, you better run. Playing duck, duck, goose with my gun. When you see me, you better run.
Hey guys, what's up? So it was just a normal day. I got up with all the enthusiasm. I went to fuel station to fill up fuel in my car. So I parked my car and I asked this guy to fill up 2050 rupees diesel in my Cruze. No, I actually didn't tell anything. I just went, I parked my car and I got down and he was like, how much, sir? And I told him fill up 2050 rupees fuel. So he started filling. I went to scan the phone pay thing. I came back and after coming back he was like, sir, petrol only, no? And then I got confused for a second. He looked at the meter and he was literally filling the petrol, man. And I shouted, so he pulled the thing out and by the time he pulled it off, already about 4 to 5 liters of petrol had gone into my fuel tank. I completely got tense, man, that time. I really don't know what to do. And then I asked him, bro, what the fuck did you just do? What am I supposed to do now, like that? And he was like, arey sir, you don't worry, only few days ago one Brezza guy came, he filled full petrol in his car and he went off, nothing happened to him. Arey, who the hell gives this kind of excuse, dude? I was like, why are you even having a diesel station here? Just fill petrol in every car now, like that. I really got pissed off, man. His excuse was completely shitty. And then I parked my car over there. I called a mechanic, a very experienced mechanic, around 25 to 30 years experience mechanic, and I told him the scene, like this is and all happened. I filled around 3 to 4 liters of petrol in my Cruze. It's a 2011 manual model. I don't know what to do now. Should I tow it to your shop? And he was like, you don't need to worry, it's all common. So he was like, it's just below 5 liters, right? Nothing will happen. You just fill diesel in your car, do a tank full of diesel. And then he told me one more thing which was really shocking. He asked me to literally pour half liter engine oil, the 2T something, that bike engine oil. He asked me to pour in my fuel tank, man. It was completely shocking, man. And then he was like, nothing will happen, bro, I did this to so many cars, it will just stop fuel contamination. So I blindly believed him, and I believed in God as well, and also I believed in this Cruze. And I filled around 55 liters of diesel in my car and I bought that half liter oil and I poured it. So right now my car has 55 liters of diesel, 5 liters of petrol and half liter of bike engine oil in my car. Imagine my situation. I was so scared, man. I was so scared to start my car. In the name of God, I started my car and I drove for about 100 kilometers. That time I was literally chasing that Audi Q5 and I was on high RPMs. फट रही थी, literally गांड फट रही थी मेरी. And I lost hopes on my car. I thought it will just break down at some point, but nothing happened. That day I drove about 200 kilometers. After that I came back to home, and then one more tension I caught up with. So now what tension is, the engine oil will be very thick, right? So I was scared that engine oil will go down to the fuel injector and sits there because it's too heavy, right? And then I called up the mechanic. I asked him, like, should I really leave the car like this, or should I finish up the whole diesel in my tank, because I'm really scared if the oils go and sits down in the fuel injector. And he was like, you don't worry, that 5 liters petrol will clean your fuel injectors, and that oil has nothing to do with your engine. That oil completely dissolved in that petrol and diesel. Now you don't need to worry. Even if you keep the car for next 10 years and start it up, it will start up. That is my guarantee. If something happens, I will buy you a new car. Literally he told me this. And then after listening to his words, I left the car for 2 days. After 2 days I started the car, so nothing really happened. I emptied the tank, I filled the diesel again, that also got emptied. Now again I filled up the diesel. So this is the third time. So I believe that all the diesel and all that petrol has gone by now, thanks to that mechanic man. I don't know if I should say thanks to him or he literally experimented on my car, but man, this 2011 machine somehow survived that. Now I am tension free. And one more thing is, you can fill petrol in a diesel car, nothing much happens, but you can't fill diesel in a petrol car. It just seizes your engine. So do not try it. Never try it, man. Never try it. And I have also read some articles. There was only one article which was saying that if you fill less than 5% of petrol in your diesel car, then it's fine. You can fill up 95% of the diesel and then you can go on. It's completely normal. There were so many articles where they shared this incidents, and they were like, my car seized, my car seized, my car seized. Every single article was saying that your car will seize, don't do it. So somehow my car survived it. Seriously. And who the hell is coming, man? Who the hell is coming? So that's my petrol and diesel story. So that's it for the day, guys. Thank you for watching.